The other thing that I would like to quickly show you is how you can use Copilot in your Teams meetings. At the moment, you can only use it in internal Teams meeting, but the external functionality will come. What it's able to do is very quickly and easily show you what was covered in that meeting and what the specific actions were as well. In my sort of testing phase over the last month, I found it to be pretty accurate. So I mocked this meeting up with my colleague Reese, talking about Microsoft Copilot. So I'm able to come into the meeting and it will pull up a transcript of the meeting. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up Copilot. And what it will show me is what a recap of that meeting was. Both Reese and I checked it after this test meeting and we agreed it was actually really accurate. But what I can do is sort of ask it other questions as well. So let me ask whether there were any specific actions for myself in this meeting. So Copilot will review the transcript and it will actually come back with what the actions were that were agreed in that meeting. Again, Reese and I checked those and they were really accurate. It can be really powerful for, I don't know about you, but I spend loads of time in meetings where I then type up all the actions afterwards. And this can help you do it really quickly and easily. Another thing I found it useful for, if I was late to a meeting at all, I could still join the meeting. I could ask Copilot to summarise, and I felt like I was really up to speed quite quickly. It's a very brief demo, but I just wanted to show you how powerful it can be in this area.